guys out first, is that right?
Yeah. Find 3 little ones. The littlest one?
Here's the littlest.
Alright.
Little butt.
This one looks little. It's probably this one.
Wait, how many are in there? 5?
We'll have 5 left and then Casey's. It's either...
Looking on the dogs.
Is there still hooks in any of these?
Yeah. There is one with a hook in it.
It's one of these two. Okay,
alright, let's grab that one.
This one? Those are the 3 smallest.
Oh, there is. Wait.
Hold on, Casey.
Is there 4 or there 5 in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then I got one hanging on the side.
And one hanging on. And this is the smallest?
Yeah.
That's the smallest.